Are you ready to create something new? So are the experts at Aireago, a construction technology company that's here to inspire you. It's design time.
So we're an innovative construction company that finds uses for logs that would otherwise be in landfills or have no use, people trying to get rid of them. A lot of them are rotted. And we take them here and mill them and dry them and turn them into beautiful tables, art, whatever the log tells us to become. I was interested in wood probably since I was 5 or 6, growing up on a farm, to go off then to be apprentice as a carpenter back in Ireland, and was fascinated with what you could turn wood into, and the beauty and the strengths and all the weaknesses of it, all the way down to what we're doing today. So our clients, we inspire them and help them to do as much as possible to whatever piece of wood they have picked up or decided to buy.
If they're looking to have logs milled, if they're looking for custom furniture, I'll basically direct them to the correct team to go to. If it's designing, I'll have them come in and make an appointment. They'll sit with me, figure out what they want, work with a budget. A lot of the time we have the luxury of working directly with an architect or a designer. They might bring to us an architectural rendering or a photo of something that they'd like, and we'll work with them through every detail and try to get their vision exactly right. And from there we could either fabricate for them or we could lead them in the right path to get the fabrication completed.
Their specialty is wood, but they work with a variety of materials.
We are a wood shop. We are a lumber yard. We are a finishing company. We do anything and everything that's custom with a variety of materials, but we specialize in hard and soft woods. We have equipment here at Aireago that we're very fortunate to have. It helps us work with way larger logs that we could process, from the milling process to the drying process, and then to the flattening of the slabs here in the shop. And then we could give them to the customer like that, or we could see the project through completion.
Their designs and solutions together are inspired by the idea that anything is possible. And it all starts right here in what they call Aireago Village.
So the lumberyard is here to help anybody with cutting their own logs and milling to specifications, and it's large equipment, so we're nice to have it to be able to help people mill their own logs.
We get our wood from the local landscapers around here. We never go out and seek our lumber, which is super important to us, as we're not walking through the woods saying we want that log and that log.
It's important to do this because a lot of the reclaimed logs that are rotted have fungus and rot and different things that have discolored the wood and changed it from its normal fibers, and it turns into really impressive art, beautiful pieces because of that.
What makes us unique is the flexibility that we have here in the shop and the way we can adapt to multiple projects on a week-to-week basis.
But they're not just turning trees into tables, they're exceeding expectations.
So we love when people come by and we give them a tour. There's no gates, there's no walls, it's all open, and we love having kids and giving them the interest in how all this process works. And we enjoy it, and there's a little golf cart and we take them around, and they leave with a little bit of education.
For more information about Aireago, visit aireago.com, and of course visit us at designingspaces.tv.